Hi you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. I would like to first send a huge thank you to Modelones for sponsoring today's video. Modelones was so kind to send me over the Smeow nail lamp. I've literally had my eyes on this lamp for so long. I don't know why I haven't just gone ahead and ordered it, but I'm so glad that I didn't because I got it in this package from them. This is their UV LED lamp. It's really small and convenient, which I love, but it has a lot of power to it. So not only can I use this for flash curing all of my extensions on, I can also use this to cure my gels for my nail designs. The Smeow nail lamp also has 3 settings, one for 60 seconds, 30 seconds, and 15, which is really nice. I will be using the 15-second option a lot when it comes to flash curing my extensions on. This is also another product that I had just hanging out in my basket. This is one of the Modelones top coats and in the shade Iridescent Laser. This is a super pretty 3D glitter top coat. And when I tell you, I've just been kind of staring these products down because I really wanted to use them. They also sent me over a base coat and top coat duo. You guys know that I use these quite a bit, so I'm glad that they sent me some more of these because I am running low. The next product that they sent over was the nail dehydrator and primer set, which you guys see in pretty much every single video. I absolutely am obsessed with the dehydrator because I also use that to prep my extensions. They also sent me over these soft gel tips in medium almond. For today's video, I'm going to definitely be putting these on because they are pre-etched, so that cuts down on the prep time, as well as the fact that their etched side is so clean and flushed. It cuts out all of that additional work trying to thin out around the cuticle so that it's not thick and bulky. It's very flexible, and then on the tip that's not etched, it's so strong, and I absolutely love this. I can't wait to try out more of the shapes and lengths of this nail. They also sent me over this acrylic nail tips kit, which I will be using in an up and coming video for you guys, but I just wanted to show you everything that comes inside of this kit. First, to prep my nails for the extension application, I'm just going in with a little buffer block. You can use any one that you may already have, and I'm just going to lightly rough up the surface of my natural nails. I'm going in with my nail prep dehydrator from Modelones and applying that all over my natural nail beds. I'm first taking that 4-in-1 nail glue after sizing out my nail tips. I like to apply a thinner layer at the base of the nail, and I'm using that pre-etched inside as a guide of how far I want to polish the glue up. And whatever's remaining on the brush, I just like to scrape a little bit of that off at the very base of the nail towards that cuticle. When I apply my extensions, I go back towards that cuticle area, making sure not to actually go on my cuticle with the nail at a 45-degree angle, and then I allow that to flow forward, letting that glue make its way down to the free edge of my natural nail bed. This helps to stop from having spillage of my nail glue or having too much product inside of there. Typically, when I do it this way, I can see easily if I've applied too much glue, and I try to go back in and clean it up before it fully cures. But here I'm just kind of going through that process sped up so that you guys can see. Now that we have all of the nail tips flash cured on, I'm going to also cure them again using the Smeow lamp for 60 seconds. Here I'm just using a nail file to really clean up the edges, making sure that they're nice and smooth as well as uniform to each other. And then I'm just lightly buffing over the surface of the nail to rough it up so that the top coat adheres better. Now looking back, these nails are much longer than they appear to be in the packaging, which I love. I thought that these were going to be super duper short and I was just going to have them the same length as my nail bed, but turns out they are a little bit longer but still very natural, which I love, especially for people that work and can't have super long nails on. I'm using a lint-free wipe with some alcohol just to remove any nail dust and clean up around my cuticle area. Next, I'm going in with a thin layer of the base coat and then curing that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And for today's video, I want to keep a nice clear base. So I'm just going to go ahead and top coat it with that new iridescent laser top coat. And I hear that this is supposed to be really, really strong. So I'm excited to see how strong it makes the nails upon applying it. And I really love this top coat. It's everything that I expected it to be. It's not overly glittery, but it just adds like a nice little reflect to the nails, especially if you don't want to do too much. You can even apply a very nice natural base color to the nails and then do this top coat. It just gives it a nice little extra oomph. After applying the top coat, I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds under the Smile lamp. And we're going to really test this out to see if it fully cures the gel polish. So this is what it's looking like, and I'm just filling the top. This top coat does not have a sticky layer, it's no wipe, and it is fully cured using that nail lamp. I'm really, really surprised, and it just makes me love the lamp even more. So this is going to be the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is just me giving it a little tappy tap on my desk, and these nails are hard. Do you hear me? They're good and strong. So if you need this for, housework, you want your nails to just look really nice and put together, this is definitely the nail for you. And anyone that does like a lot of office work, you guys are good to go. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.